Patrick Banda is my name, meeting Honorable Chipoka Mulenga, aspiring candidate for UPND as MP in Chingola constituency. How are you, Honorable?
I'm very, very fine and very elated. If you have seen, our campaign is good, so I've got every reason to be happy.
Honorable, what to do for the Chingola constituency people?
And to summarize my vision, we want to bring a leadership that is visionary, which gives hope and a future to the Zambian people. Particularly, Aveka Shwabana Mchingola constituency. Chibusa Wandimona, Vale Tobo God, but to more jobs, Mumatumba Yesu. Banga Sepera Vale Bomba. Banga Ninefoba Leshtisha. Amako Waengi, Yasa and government or politician. Ngaba in the Vale Vetonaka, Honorable Turiemo. Honorable Kunova Leva PF, Basan Canitule Sotunono. Lelene Chimono Chandi. It is to help uplift the living standards Yaveka Shwam Chingola. I want to say, Wakwata equal opportunities to the privileges that Chingola has to offer. I want them to have something to do. I want them to be self-sustainable. I want the farmers to have market where they can sell their produce. It's unacceptable. Ukukwata, ShopRite, Pick and Pay, Hungry Lion, everything they are selling to us is from South Africa. While my farmers here can't even have a good market. Sport Mchingola ya alifua. Bashima ininda lama tawarundila kuteko ubine wa isapo. But me as a member of parliament, I will give them a voice. A time has come when I will give them a voice. And this voice is a voice of hope. A voice that will deliver the aspirations of the Chingola residents. So my vision is big, ranging from the youths, the mothers, the men and women, the entrepreneurs of Chingola. Yo sengo Mchingola mama businesses yaba politician na bakada. Businessmen they can't even flourish because they are accused to be aligned with the opposition. Being aligned to any political party is not a crime. We have a constitution which allows people to have freedom of association, assembly and expression. If we are different in political opinion, doesn't mean we have to kill your business. But I am coming in as a lawmaker with the leadership of my president Hakainde Hichilema to bring a level playing field for everyone, regardless of your political affiliation. The farmers in Chingola have been downtrodden. The farming supply input products, farmers yandi. But I can assure the residents of Chingola, especially the farming community, that farming inputs will come in October the latest, so that they can plan. This can be achieved. All they need is a visionary leader. Look at Sport Mchingola. But we've got banks, we've got business houses. All that they need is to remind them to give back to the community. Football, netball, volleyball, you name all sporting activities, I can assure you, they will be revamped. You can't allow to give business opportunities to give to the Chinese, the Indians and Lebanese, Munam Chingola, while the residents of Chingola were chula. Yes, they can come with their money, but we have the land, we have the skill. They have to work with us at equal levels, in partnership. We need to give decent livelihoods to the people that are voting for us. And that is what I'm promising the people of Chingola. Restoring Chingola brick by brick.
Honorable Chipoka, your articulation is so good. How about your political career? When did you start about your political career?
I've got now enough experience. I've been doing this for the past almost 10 years. I've been learning, understanding the entire geography of Chingola. I've walked the full breadth of the district, not only the constituency. I understand the various needs of different wards. And ultimately, I've understood the needs of the residents of Chingola constituency and at large, Chingola district. And I have come to a conclusion. At this moment, the right man this is a man that has been very stable and consistent. Not take over PF 15 times. Lelo has never moved away from his vision. He has been very focused, and actually he gets more resolved. Mukwafu abena Zambia lero ne mukaka. Ewo mbone nga katekana ino lala nankwe.
Bamulenga.
Mukwai.
Ilyota mula chitachipayo kuba ba MP for Chingola. Kwali abalipo. Chinshi ocho abalipo bafirirwa okuchitira abena Chingola. Ocho muleba abena Chingola kwati muketa bachitira.
Finge fo bashachitira abena Chingola. Ife tabachitira abena Chingola kusunga obumi bwabo. Balekele emiti aba expired yapa chawama. Abantu balanwa. Bambo okulafu balabepesha corona. Finge ife bashachitile. Ili amalaiti ya lea taba protect abena Chingola baleikalo mumfimfi. Finge ife bashachitile. Ile kwa dia ba gassing bale ipa abena Chingola kwabo bata protect. Bale bakoma ula batu kwa protect. But I am coming in as a leader that will give hope and the future to the residents of Chingola. I can assure you, it only takes sound leadership for the security wings to do their job. It takes sound leadership for the medical personnel to give abantu mitiri muchipatala. It takes sound leadership to make bashima inu kufolenda na mashonza pa mukumo. Not kuna mapelo tuping sunya. I can assure you, it takes sound leadership. Mwana ni market yumu. Tamuwa wanangu chimwe chirimo. Lelo nde mieba. Icho market yumu tamubelele chintumu. Icho market yumu tamubelele chintumu. Awanto wale bomba. Tetu washita mwanangu chimo iyo. Icho nde mieba. Abena Zambia walingile wakwate nchito. Nga wakwate nchito. Nawa makwewa wakambo kushitisha. Nefintu fukambo kwenda buino. So ino utungurushi bwandi. Wakupela abantu hapa kumo kuboko. Wakupela abantu hapa kumo kuboko. That's the leadership I aspire for. Mkwai.
Anishilanshi oyo mukabo mftepa bati fyofyo mwalanda fika chitike.
An MP is a lobbyist for the people. Ba MP twakwete tabale ilombela abantu bale ilombela bene. Ile ba ilombela ba isa nokula mko nikalesa abantu tuliye mubala apela ma 50 kwacha. Ine chimono chandi. Ine ichimono chandi. Kuya kulusaka ku parliament nokuba batata bakainde ichilema. Ati wa mfyashwesu abantu batuvotele pantu malofwa. Balefwa pa kumo kuboko. Balefwa empowerment not yakupela fenko ko balateka. Balingire bafona na bafona nokwa kushitisha nkoko. Pamutango uchindeme. Inchito yandi chibusa wandi omonka pita. Na kula na kuma business house zalinga ama banki umugodi onse. Nokula ndati support abeka shiwa Chingola. But they are the ones giving you business. Na kabiri na kula mtu wa mpani. Ukoya tumele pange ndalama. Fole sheni abantu ndalama shiringile. Abama Chinese mumane kankoko. Bali trafima chemicals kankoko lulamba yonse amenshi aliona ika. Abale teke esa vidila fwa. Abale lima ojoni ila fwa. But I can assure you, Bazema Zambia Environment Agency, they should come and penalize the airing business houses. So that abeka shwele tuvotela. Waumfwe chilumba tusalile fyungwa. Tusalile ntungulu shisha mano. Ne ntungulu shikateka number 1 haka inde ichilema. Na ine mpichi poka. Naba shalabons.
Finally, probably you can comment on rigging. In 2016, we had the rumors that a lot of rigging was done. What have you put in place this time to protect your vote?
Chibusa wandi abena Zambia na abema pasweka. Kaili nde milomba. Insta ya kuprotecte vote lienu ya Afrika. Iyi election te yako akainde. Te yako achipoka. Te yako akansela wesi na ngumtele na lumango. Ya imo mwewe na Zambia bonse imwe. Imo mwewe na Zambia nga mwavota. Lolele ni. Mulumendo tekanya. Yako evati. Ili ya vota. Ama polling assistance agents tubikile mulia. Wako making sure uwa uri mu polling book. Ewa vota. Tukashindika mbogoshi. Mpaka wakapende. Wakapunde. Ifa tule mbele furinge chaba. Leo tumfuwele fukupange fyongo. Awonsi abantu aba they will protect their vote. Fimbi ifa tubikile in place. Tetindande paruwalala. Lelo chonde miye chako triki nyocha kwa kabele abena Zambia wakafuma mu bwingi bwabo no kuyavotera akainde ichilema no kuvotera chipoka mulenga na bonse wa UPND Zambia.
Thank you very much. We've been talking to the aspiring candidate for Chingola constituency, Honorable Chipoka Mulenga.